Is your Worcester Bosch boiler stuck displaying an error code? Before you call out an engineer and get that expensive bill, let's try resetting the boiler first. If you have a Worcester Bosch 1000, 2000, 4000 or even the 8000 model, this tutorial applies for you. However, if you have a CDi Compact, it is simply just the reset button on the front of the boiler. They've made it so easy on that boiler, I don't know why they didn't carry it forward with the new models. In my case, I have the EA227 error code on my Worcester Bosch 8000 style. The EA227 error code means boiler lockout, and this just means that it's tried firing up the boiler more than 3 times and has locked out to prevent any damage to the boiler. For those watching at home, only do this if your boiler is actually in an error state, as it won't even work if it is not. Before we reset the boiler, we need to take note of the error code or take a photograph just in case it comes up again in the future and we want to double check it's the right one, or if we do have to call out an engineer, you can tell them exactly what went on and what code it was displaying. To reset the boiler, I will hold the up and down buttons for around 5 seconds until it resets. On my 8000, it does show a quick reset message, which is really handy, and I'm pretty sure it does the same for the 4000, 2000, and 1000 models. If this hasn't worked straight away, do try the fuse spur, as this can be quite an easy trick to reset the boiler. Turn the fuse spur off, wait a few seconds and turn it back on to reset the boiler. If the error code is still displaying, it is time to call out an engineer, but this video could have saved you that call out fee, which can get quite hefty. Let me know in the comment section down below what error code your boiler is spitting out. We have done a great load of videos about Worcester boiler error code, so I'll leave a few up here throughout the video. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. This has been iHeat.